Proportional division of population. 15 minutes of the study of population is known as demography. Now listen to this carefully. The study of population is known as demography. When we study about the structure of population, actually we are studying about the characteristics of population. What are the characteristics of population? The age structure of the population, the male and female ratio of the population, and the regional distribution of population. How many people are living in cities? How many people are living in villages? Rural versus urban population. The questions which can be given from this topic, the most commonly asked question is analyze the factors which can cause changes in population. Very important question. Okay? Birth rate, death rate, net migration. These are the three factors you have to write in your answer. Birth rate, death rate, and net migration. And then in the same answer, you are going to tell that what are the reasons for high birth rate, what are the reasons for high death rate, and if the question is of 6 marks, complete comprehensive explanation will be given to you. Comprehensive explanation will be given to you. Stop. Analyze the factors which can cause a change in the demand, which can change in population. Birth rate, death rate, net migration. And you also have to mention the causes of the high birth rate and the causes of high death rate. Birth rate, number of live births divided by the total population, multiplied by 1000, multiplied by 1000. It's a rate. So we will get the answer. For example, 23.5 out of 1000. That is birth rate. Live births, very important. Live birth means that the baby which is born survives the first year of the birth. Then it will be considered as a live birth. Death rate is also known as the mortality rate, mortality. And the relevant term is infant mortality rate. That means the number of deaths in a given region in that year, which is comprised of the number of children who are less than 1 year of age. That is infant mortality rate. Pakistan was at the highest 25 years back in the infant mortality rate. It was 110 out of 1000. But that was very high. That was the infant mortality rate in Pakistan 25 years back. But now the things have improved. 10%. Yes. Which is very high. Okay. Remember, another thing which is in population is the optimum population. Optimum population means the level of population at which the GDP per head is at the maximum. GDP per head is at the maximum. Maria, what do we call those countries where the resources are less and population is more? They are overpopulated countries where the population is more and the resources are less. They are not known as underdeveloped countries. They are overpopulated countries. When the resources are less and population is more. When the resources are comparatively more as compared to population, they are underpopulated countries. And when the country is achieving its optimum level of population, it means that the GDP per head is at the maximum. What is a population pyramid? Good. A diagram, a population diagram, a demographic diagram in which the age structure and the male-female structure is represented with the help of a pyramid-shaped figure. Remember students, a population pyramid for the less developed countries will be broad at the bottom, and then it will broad at the bottom, and then it will go like this. For the less developed countries, developing countries, for the underdeveloped or for the developed countries, it bulges from the middle. Remember this sentence statement, it bulges from the middle because it is showing the high working population, high number of people in the working age group. So that's why the developed countries population pyramid will be bulges from the middle, and even they have more people in the aging group as well. In the same chapter of population, there are some factors which will influence the high birth rate or the birth rate. In fact, number one is the literacy, awareness, and the traditions, the customs. Delaying marriages, more people, more women in working means that there will be a low population growth rate. Sometimes the health sectors are not up to the mark. That will increase the death rate, and because of the death rate, for example, the survival of the babies are less. So people will have more children, try to have more children. Why? Because the survival is not there. In African countries, for example, where the health facilities are not there, as such, the good facilities are not there, people would like to have more children. Similarly, in Pakistan, in the villages, people would like to have more children just because of the fact survival is a problem. Majority of the babies which are born may not survive the first year of its birth. High death rate is because of poor traffic system, poor lifestyle, healthcare sector is weak. There can be a natural disaster, and natural disaster is hitting that country time and time after again. Bangladesh is one of the examples of that. So it means that there is consistent natural disasters in some region. War, situation of war is also there. Then I told you already unhealthy living styles will lead to higher death rates as well. Another thing which crime rates, high crime rates may lead to high death rate. One more thing, friends, that sometimes the professions in which you are engaged in, for example, if 40% of the population is engaged in mining, their life expectancy will not be high. So there can be a high death rate regarding that. Immigration with I, number of people coming into the country. Immigration with an E, it means number of people leaving the country. E, habit, means immigration. Okay, that means dependency ratio. Dependency ratio is the number of people in the age group 16 till 0 till 18 maybe, plus 65 plus. 0 till 18 plus 65 plus, divided by the population between 18 till 65. So that will give you a dependency ratio. We don't multiply it by 100 because it's a ratio.
How will we write that when you say?
What? In the industrial structure, if more people are related to dangerous jobs where they are exposed to some dangerous material or pollution is there, then there will be high death rates.